Looking for a lunch pack that keeps your food and drinks cold all day long? The Titan Deep Freeze Expandable Lunch Pack promises just that. Up to 12 hours of reliable cold storage without the hassle of soggy meals or messy leaks. Whether you're packing lunch for work, school, or need to keep sensitive items like insulin cool, this lunch pack delivers consistent performance you can count on. What sets this lunch pack apart is its thoughtful design and advanced insulation technology. Inside, SuperFoam insulation works alongside an innovative Therma-Flect radiant barrier that reflects heat instead of absorbing it. This combination keeps your contents cooler, longer. Plus, the ultra-safe lining with Microban fights odors and stains, making cleanup quick and simple. On the outside, durable Rhino-Tech material resists water and stains, wiping clean with ease after every use. The real game changer? 2 high-performance ice walls that come included. These freeze packs slide neatly into 2 exterior pockets, allowing you to freeze them overnight and insert them in the morning without opening the main compartment. This means your lunch stays cold without losing precious chill each time you grab a bite. The lunch pack also expands for double the capacity, so you can pack more without sacrificing cold retention. One user, a diabetic who needs to keep insulin cool throughout the day, shared how this lunch pack fits perfectly into their routine. They carry it in their backpack, and even in warm environments, the ice walls keep insulin cold for hours without freezing it. The added plastic layer on the freeze packs prevents sogginess, protecting both food and medical supplies. After daily use for over a month, it's still performing like new, proof of its reliability. Carrying convenience is another strong point. The Titan Deep Freeze Lunch Pack offers 2 padded handles and a removable, adjustable shoulder strap, allowing you to carry it vertically or horizontally depending on your needs. This flexibility makes it comfortable for daily commutes, outdoor adventures, or simply keeping your lunch fresh at the office. If you're someone who values keeping your food or essentials cold throughout the day, this lunch pack is worth a look. It combines practical features with durable materials and proven cooling technology to deliver what you need without fuss. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your lunch routine or protect temperature-sensitive items with confidence.